I'm deeply humbled and truly appreciative of this exercise. Maybe this is the first time na yung being advocate, social and political activist is recognized as a profession. Kasi bihira ito eh. That is why maybe sana ito na yung maging beginning ng mga ganitong appreciation and recognition para sa mga taong naghahangad ng magandang Pilipinas, free from poverty, free from hunger, free from unemployment, and free from injustice and oppression. Among the many advocacies of our organization, yung pong People's National Council for Federalism, actually kami rin po yung bahagi ng nagsulong ng revolutionary government. Sana during the term of the former President Duterte. Pero hindi natuloy dahil yun sana ang naglulunsad ng tunay na pagbabago dito sa Pilipinas. Among those advocacies that we have made are the changes in the provisions of the Constitution, banning the political dynasties that would provide equal opportunity for public service to everyone, reduction, if not elimination, of graft and corruption by actualizing and realizing transparency and public accountability. The expansion of the offices of the Ombudsman to all the provinces, kung talagang yung ating mga namumuno ay seryoso na mawala kung hindi man ay mabawasan man lamang ang korupsyon sa ating gobyerno, dapat mayroong mga ombudsman sa bawat probinsya na magdidesisyon ng kaso na pinafile sa loob lamang ng 180 days, 90 days, ay dapat disposed na ang kaso. File the case if the evidence is meritorious enough, and dismiss the case when there is no merit, para yung wrongly accused ay hindi naman nagsasuffer. And the expansion of Sandigang Bayan to all regions. Kasi po, kaya tumatagal ang kaso ng mga nadidemanda ng graft and corruption, and especially those who are wrongly accused, nagsasuffer ng napakamatagal, hindi na didesisyonan agad ng Sandigang Bayan. Doon sa aming advocacy, gusto namin bigyan ng 180 days lamang for Sandigang Bayan to decide whether the accused is guilty or not. At pagkatapos naman giving also the Supreme Court about 180 days or 6 months to decide the case with finality. Yung bang gusto naming makita na sa loob ng 1 taon, nakapagpakulong tayo ng korap sa gobyerno. O kaya naman, nalinis natin ang pangalan ng mga mali namang pinaratangan ng kaso na sa gobyerno. Because marami hong harassment cases din naman. So, yan lamang po yung mga ilan sa aming mga advocacies, and I am happy that this effort is being recognized by Superbrands, at kami labis-labis na nagpapasalamat sapagkat hindi ito sa business aspect, kundi sa ikagaganda ng ating lipunan sa susunod na mga henerasyon. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon.